Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Vampire Crawlers game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So here are the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will close the Steam and then again relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, again go to the game properties, this time type -D3D11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Vampire Crawlers game folder. Select this Vampire Crawlers exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Vampire Crawlers game folder, select Vampire Crawlers exe file and then click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added, here it is. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, FG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program and then check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to run the game from game installation folder, run game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this Vampire Crawlers exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK and then launch the game from the game installation folder and then check. If that also doesn't work, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit on apply, OK and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What if you do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here, then enter operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run it and install it. And then after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC once. And after your device restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it, and then just restart your PC once again. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on game and select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix it is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, and in general tab you will see this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you've installed Discord on your PC, then disable the Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive. Open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Vampire Crawlers game folder, select Vampire Crawlers exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to delete the Vampire Crawlers saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So keep backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the Vampire Crawlers saved game folder. So open File Explorer, go to C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, then open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view. So check mark hidden items, then open App Data folder. Then open the local low folder and here look for the Nosebleed interactive folder. Here it is, open it, and here you can see Vampire Crawler saved game folder. Right click on it first and then copy it, go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder, and then right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13, this is the last solution. If none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Vampire Crawlers game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Vampire Crawlers game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.